Hello together. In this video I want to show you how to install apps on your Motorola Moto G42. You can see here that a lot of apps are pre-installed when you are using your Motorola Moto G42. So we have a lot of Google apps, of course, and I have here Ecosia, and you have here Facebook and other apps, okay? But you want to install some new ones. So for this, we must use the Play Store. Here's the Play Store, and you can see here at the Play Store you have games, apps, and books, and at the top you have For You, Top Charts, Children, Categories, and Editor's Choice. Okay, I will now go to the top charts from the apps, and you can see here it's TikTok and other ones, PayPal and WhatsApp and other things that you know. So let's choose Telegram, okay? So I click on Telegram, and here you can see here 4.1 stars, 11 million reviews, 1 billion downloads, and you can see here install, and you can see here some screenshots and of course some information and ratings and reviews. Okay, let's install it. I click on install, and then you can see it will download this app directly here, 27.6 megabytes, and then install it on your device. And here it's pretty fast. You can open it here directly, or you can see if it's here. Yes, and you can see it's directly here, Telegram, okay? But you can also find Telegram here, so you can find it on many places. And when I open Telegram, it will open and start. So you can do this with every different app you can see here on the Play Store. You can search for games, you can search for books and other things, okay? You can also search for special apps for children, and you can see here special apps for children for your little girl or little boy. So there are really a lot of games here, and just search here a little bit what you might like, or search for the apps, and then you can install it pretty easily. Yes, this is how you install apps on your Motorola Moto G42. I hope this video helped you a little bit. If yes, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see us the next time. Bye bye.